Okay, Forex family, this is Sydney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas. And we are the Trading Places. Let's go look for some trades. All right. What do we do today? Not much. Okay. Let's take a look here. All right, let's take a look at euro dollar. Just took a dump. 1 second here. Okay. Well, first let's look at gold. Gold is kind of moving sideways. Hadn't really done anything at all. Here it's rebound the last few hours here. Doesn't look like much, but that'll pay good. I think it's going to continue to do this. Just move with caution, but I think it's going to go long. Okay, so I'd be looking for a long position on this. I don't like using any type of indicators on gold. It just moves so quickly. US 30 rebounded today. Wasn't a lot of erratic movement, but it sure moved very, very nicely. So if you would have gotten this trade early this morning, you would have done very well. Which kind of affects all the other Forex pairs as well. So, but it did take a dump here, and it's rebounding. So good. Still moving up. Let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar was here this morning. Can you believe that? Started with this candle and just came down to here and recovered. So we'll see how that goes. Let's erase. Let me see here. Let's open this up a little bit. Let's see where we are, where we were. Here, and this is where we are. So it has kissed here, kind of went down. It kind of kissed here a little bit. If you moved it down, it looks pretty close to it. It tested the line a little bit. So I don't know what this is going to do. It looks like it does want to come back up through the channel or right in the middle of the street and head back up. Who knows? But this is definitely a resistance line here somewhere. It hit it 4 times and went down. So just be careful when you're going through there. If it goes past here, it sure does have a lot of real estate. The next support line or resistance line is right around here, I guess. It's right there is where it kissed. And that's, yeah, you could tell that's a support and a resistance line because it kissed here and it bounced here several times. And then it just took off. So let's look for something here. But there's no agreement on this one. So let me move this out of the way. Move this down for now. So we got to put this back up here. So what I'm going to do is no agreement. All right, let's look at JD US dollar yen. Nice little rebound this morning, and then in the afternoon it just kind of took off the last 6-7 hours. 1, 2, 3. So it just kind of, it did go up in the morning and then just took a dump here. That's odd because it's attached to the dollar. But anyway, It looks like it still may want to go up here. If you take a look at it, it's still on an upward trend. It just retraced. So if you look at it here, it's been going long, but look what it did here. It went long and retraced, it went down, came back up, moved sideways, moved up again. So it could be doing that. It's just if you want to wait till you see a more definite, more of a trend, I would probably do that too, because it looks like there's no agreement, because on the 60-minute candle it's going down, but look at all the other indicators are going up. So I definitely wait on this one. I'm going to put no agreement. Euro yen was here this morning, went up and took crazy step down here. No rhyme or reason on why it did that. Looks like it's going to rebound. Let's just wait for some more volume on this one. I don't see any agreement on this one. It's already starting to soften here. It's a tough one here. Aussie dollar. So well. If you take a look at this one, this is in consolidation from here. Let's find a common area where it's touching, which is right there. So I would expect this one to come up in here and maybe bounce back down and then take off north. That's what I'm thinking. Let's take a look at this other indicator I have over here. Aussie dollar. Yeah. See, it's kind of doing this sideways dance, which is pretty much consolidation. Doesn't know what it's going to do. I'd kind of stay away from that one for now. But it is a going up in the channel. I look for it to hit this line here. It's been testing it. 688.840. So if you can just watch it, I mean, if you take it there, you're looking at 9 pips. So, but it could turn around at any time. Look at this one here. This is a tough one. I would wait for it to bounce off the 68.840. Let's wait for that one. Pound dollar. Well, it definitely looks like it's going up here. but it's definitely on a downtrend. Look, it's right here. Overall downtrend. Overall downtrend. But keep an eye I'd look for a different trend reversal because that thing's just been moving steady. Just click, click, click slowly. It's not fro, it's for. It's probably going to bounce here, maybe. Just watch this here. This 123, 200. It may bounce and come back if it breaks. Look for it to continue long. But that's a very important resistance line. Let's look at dollar Swiss. Ooh, this thing just took off, didn't it? This could be just because of the market closed. So what I would do is I'd look for this trend to go north. Look for a trend to go north. Look for a trend to go north. Okay, we just got to spell it right first. But wait on indicators. Pound Swiss. This one's a tough one here. It's just been doing a, if you take a look at this, let me see. The overall trend is down. Now what are we going to do here? These indicators are starting to turn north, so look for long signal and wait for indicators to turn. Let's go to Aussie dollar yen. This one's going long here, but you gotta keep an eye . Look for long signal. But keep an eye out for resistance. Okay. What I mean by resistance is here's a common ground that the money has touched before. So right here is one. So that's a few pips. It's about 8 pips right there. Here's another one right there. And this is top of the money. So just beware when it passes this, I'd take it and I'd be looking to get a stop loss. Your first profit could be here. If you take it past here, it'd be your second. And of course, this is your third. So just beware. And there's a lot of real estate. You can keep going north. So just keep an eye out. CAD yen. Same thing here. It's definitely taking a ride. Wait for long signals. Is our last pair for the day. This one's definitely taking a sharp turn down. I'd wait for this one to start turning. It's definitely short. But what I would do is take it short. There you go. All right, guys, just a little sample of what's going to happen. If you just go through here, you can just take a look and through your quote board and just find out. I mean, there's a lot of movement today, so just take your time, only wait for the right setups. And for those students that are out there that have paid for the indicators, just watch your indicators. Just be aware of your surroundings. Take good trades. So, and those of you who want to be students of Trading Places, just go to our website at thetradingplaces.com and click buy. We take PayPal and all the credit cards. It's $3.99 to start, $99 a month. And that does include your Sierra charts. So, all right, guys. Happy Monday. We should have a good trading week this week. And we will talk to you soon. See you later.